Welcome back to the channel. Did y'all like my Zosh intro? My man be killing it with his intros, boy. My man be, yo! That should be on point. But nah, today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install that shifter right there. It's gonna be super quick. I'm not even gonna make this long and drawn out. It'll be like a couple minutes, if that, maybe 5 minutes. Pop that one out. I'm not even gonna take the center part out. Just gonna pop it out and pop that one in and bolt it in. Simple as that. I'm not doing all that extra stuff tonight. This one screw in on these, so I don't even have to worry about daggone, you know, those cotter pins. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Put this shifter in the car, take the other one out, put my K-Tune shift knob right here. That is why that's cut out. Well, not really, but anybody want to buy a stock shifter box? It's beat up, but let it go for cheap. Super cheap. Like cheap. Real cheap. Like cheaper than cheap. Bro, this lines up. Y'all can't see my face, but y'all don't need to see my face. But this shifter lines up perfectly with where the other shifter was. Like, I'm talking about perfect. Like, it's even better than that, where that OEM shifter is lining up, or was lining up. See how this feels. Yo, this is extremely smooth. So you could adjust this and tilt this back. I put mine on the bottom one and bottom one down here, so that it's as straight as possible. And then this side is pretty straight. So I got the shifter in. It was quick, as y'all can see. I lowered this a lot. Where's my steering wheel? So I lowered, this shifter is a lot, it's about the size of the one that I cut on the prior one. But this one works, and it's so, oh my gosh. It feels like stock without slop, but smoother. And then the hybrid one I had was like super notchy. Like I was going into the first gear, going to second, go to third in the hybrid, coming back down, and then wants to go into second. Didn't adjust it, didn't want to mess with it. This right here, you just put it in and you go, and that was it. Alright, so this is the second video I'm ending in my car. This shifter is super dope. I wouldn't trade it. I'm happy I got this shifter. Been through 2 shifters now, and this third one right here is bomb. Like in a K-swapped MR2, this is like, I've never felt the shifter smoother than this. So I'm happy I got this, and the way I set it up, it worked out. I just took my other one out, bolt this one in. I didn't even have to take the center console out, and you guys saw it was quick. I'm not going to drag out this video and make a 20-minute video on installing one freaking shifter. I wasn't going to do it, but like, share, subscribe, come back and check me out. I'm going to take this thing for a rip. Probably, I might go tonight. Probably go tomorrow. I'll probably go tomorrow afternoon or something, take it for a rip. But this shifter is dope. Like, I lowered it, and no slop in it at all.